Hi, today I'm reviewing Oppo A1 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first open the Play Store app because we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. Ampere. So then just tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click yes, I agree, click close, tap to OK, and now we could see information about our battery health, and then we could see that my battery is in a good condition. And also we got here more information, so you could check all of them. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.